His own fan club.
Thank you, guys.
Today, our roller coaster scenic journey across Switzerland continues on the Glacier Express from the charming Andermatt to the glitzy St. Moritz. Come along for this amazing ride in first class, taking in the breathtaking views of the Alps, UNESCO-listed Rhine Gorge, and of course, good vibes. We had to get our last bit of activity in. Oh my goodness! That was the finale. So now we only have a few minutes to get to the train. 11:39.
We're gonna make it though, guys.
We don't want to miss the train, so I hope we're gonna make it.
Yeah, this is an expensive train ride to miss. So we're going on the Glacier Express.
The bags feel twice as heavy when you pull them on snow. I'm so out of breath.
We have a couple minutes to spare, so good.
That was a nail biter.
Okay. At least we made it.
The conductor ensures we have seat reservations. Those are required in advance. As we board, it's a bit awkward as the meal service is underway for those who actually began their journey in Zermatt. There we go. The Glacier Express, also known as the world's slowest train, is an 8-hour journey from Zermatt to St. Moritz, passing over 291 bridges and through 91 tunnels. How amazing is that? We begin our journey in Andermatt for 5 of those 8 hours in first class.
That's it for Andermatt?
Andermatt, that's it. Saying goodbye to Andermatt, we begin to climb higher and higher up the mountain, and the aerial view of Andermatt is spectacular. Be sure to check out our Andermatt video. The train is beautiful, huge panoramic windows, perfect to take in these views of the Alps. Oh my goodness, the view. Picture this, snow-covered chalets, skiers doing their thing, and mountains and mountains. It's a vibe.
Wow, so much snow, some of these homes are covered.
They provide us some headsets so we can access information about the journey, but our friends here told us that, hey, we can tell you everything you need to know about Switzerland. Now, guess what? 30 minutes in our journey, as we approach the mighty Oberalp Pass, the highest point on the Glacier Express route at 2,000 meters, snow splashes up all over our window, disrupts our views, but lucky for you, Marv rushed to the gangway and he filmed the view through the window. Now, let's talk food. There's a fancy menu with soups, 3-course meals, caviar, champagne, the whole shebang. But we are in chill mode, enjoying a glass of Swiss wine, Swiss chocolates, soaking in the Alps through these massive windows. Leaving the centers behind, the scenery is doing a little makeover. Less snow, more spruce trees, and the rivers that seem to be doing their own little happy dance. Who doesn't like change? We now begin to descend into the UNESCO-listed Rhine Gorge, also known as the Swiss Grand Canyon. It is like Mother Nature decided to show off her artistic skills into the deep ravines, towering cliffs, the winding Rhine River. Bravo, bravo, Mother Nature.
So we're in Kerr. I'm not getting left. I'm standing next to the door.
Kerr seems to have a little bit more industrial twist to our journey, but we still have incredible views. We are now on our final leg of our journey from Kerr to St. Moritz. And remember I said there are 291 bridges? Well, the iconic one is coming up. As the train winds its way through the Albula Valley, we are treated to even more iconic and spectacular Alpine scenery. We position ourselves to see the impressive Landwasser Viaduct and its iconic art bridge.
Yeah.
The journey went fairly quickly.
Oh yeah.
We had some new friends too right here. This way. New friends.
Oh yeah. They made the trip real comfortable, real fun.
Say hi.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Marvin. Happy birthday to you, Marvin.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday to you, Marvin.
Okay, thank you.
His own fan club.
Thank you guys.
When is your birthday? Yeah,
My birthday's every day.
every day.
You taught him well. Samadad. Welcome to Samadad. Only 6 more minutes. The journey is coming to a conclusion. This was so much fun.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we had a blast, guys. This was it's a must do. When in Switzerland, the Glacier Express.
It's not long.
Oh, it is fun. I'm gonna enjoy those last 6 minutes.
This is the perfect ending to the Glacier Express as we arrive to the glitzy town of St. Moritz.